There are a couple of things that I think maybe you should keep in mind while you listen to the lecture. First and foremost, please don't panic about the notes. Everything is on the board. The whole point of putting it out for you is that just before my lecture begins, maybe you can sort of buffer in the first 10-15 seconds, and you can take this down so that as and when I speak, you have your own notes. The other thing that I would recommend is for you to keep a very open mind, because human rights is a grey subject. You won't have a black and white answer. I know it's law and we look for a black and white, but there is a lot of grey area in this. So try and keep an open mind. And the third and the most important thing is that there are 3 books I'm going to recommend. You can get either one of those. The first one is Human Rights by Dr. H.O. Agrawal. That's the best book that I would recommend. It looks something like this. This is something that I think you guys should use. But the other 2 books, if you find this to be slightly difficult or too detailed, you can look at Human Rights Law, which is by Dr. Ashok